So let's take a look at how to work with where clause in PostgreSQL. So first thing, make sure that you're running PostgreSQL service in the background. And once you do that, you can run psql shell or run psql from command prompt. Okay, so I have psql shell running, and here I'm going to first check the available database using /shell. Next thing, I'm going to check for this testpb database in my PostgreSQL database. Okay, so within testpb database, I have one table named company. Okay, so I'm going to check all the data. As you can see, I have total 6 rows in it, and I want to particularly check this employee that has age about 25 and it is 25 or above. Okay, so I can filter that sort of query using where clause. So let's take a look at how to do that. So select star from company where age greater than or equal to 25. You can hit enter, and here you see the output that shows the list of employees above age of 25. This in order. Okay, you can also use order by clause so that they can properly get ordered incremental way. If you just use where clause, it will try to find the row in the way it finds it, and then it will simply output it back. But if you use where age is greater than or equal to 25 and order by age again, then it will sort that out from 25 and 32 and 42 onwards in an incremental way or ascending order, you can say. Okay, so this was where clause that we use in SQL query, and I showed you how to use that on PostgreSQL database.